Are you in the Mafia?
Am I in the what?
Whatever you want to call it. Organized crime.
There's no Mafia.
Down and make out I smile though I wear a frown, and I'm not gonna take it all lying down, 'cause once I get started I go to town. 'Cause I'm not like everybody else, no, no, I'm not like everybody else. I'm not like everybody else.
How are you feeling now?
Fine. Back at work.
Darling, you know that I love you true, and I'll do anything that you want me to. I'll even confess all my sins like you want me to. But there's one thing that I can't do for you, 'cause I'm not like everybody else. What did I say? How did I say?
That's the guy, Adriana. My Uncle Tony. The guy I'm going to hell for.